So, another day, another record, at least for the Dow. Hey everyone, it's Thursday morning, November 13th, and welcome back to Capital Markets Quickie. I'm your host, Endrit Sella, here to break down yesterday's market action in just 2 minutes. Quick note before we dive in. Today's episode is brought to you by AMF Capital Asset Management, Frankfurt. Learn more about our funds and strategies at amf-capital.de. Alright, let's get started. Stocks ended mixed on Wednesday. The Dow climbed nearly 0.7%. Closing above 48,000 for the first time ever. Marking yet another record high, the Standard & Poor's 500 added just about 0.1%, while the Nasdaq slipped 0.2% after an early rebound lost steam. Now, the big story was the ongoing rotation inside tech. AMD jumped about 9% after its CEO laid out an ambitious long-term plan focused on artificial intelligence, but other big names like Amazon, Apple, and Tesla pulled back, keeping the Nasdaq from holding its gains. Meanwhile, Washington might finally be getting ready to unlock those Capitol doors. Hopes are growing that the record-breaking government shutdown could end as soon as today. The House is set to vote on a funding bill, and if it passes, the White House says the president could sign it almost immediately. Still, experts say the damage is already done. Because of the shutdown, the October jobs and inflation reports were never even collected, meaning those numbers will likely never see the light of day. That's left the Federal Reserve without key data ahead of its December meeting, where most investors still expect a small rate cut. A few Fed officials spoke on Wednesday, including some who might play big roles in shaping future policy, and the general tone was cautious but open to easing depending on how growth holds up. Earnings season is winding down, but a few names are still trickling in. Cisco reports after the close, while crypto company Circle posted a profit beat before the bell, though its stock still fell despite the better results. So yeah, it was one of those half up, half down days. Records on the Dow, weakness in tech, and just maybe, finally, a bit of good news from Washington. All right, that wraps up today's Capital Markets Quickie. Join me again tomorrow morning for more market updates. See you then.